What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been lost for a while, but I'm back, and today I am back with something very delicious. Today's video, as you read in the title, is about baking. You know, first time I'm going to be doing this on my channel, and it's about cassava cake or yuca root cake, or however you call this. So yeah guys, so first thing I'm going to show you the ingredients. So of course what you're going to need is this, the cassava or yuca root. So when you have this, you're gonna peel it. I forgot to record that part, but you know, just peel it. Then the next ingredients is going to be sugar, vanilla, ginger, coconut milk, evaporated milk, and butter. So let's begin. So first thing first, we're going to grater the cassava or yuca root, which I already grater. I have 2 portions because I am thinking to do some buñuelos, and well, with the rest I'm going to be preparing my mix for my cake. Alright guys, so now we're going to be putting the coconut milk, that much, and we're going to be pouring the evaporated milk. Alright guys, so now we're going to be putting 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to stir. I'm going to put another cup. So in total, I'm going to put 2 cups. And I'm going to stir. Now I'm going to be melting 1 stick of butter. This is just half stick each one. So I'm gonna be melting this. So I'm gonna get a cup, and I'm going to be putting that in the microwave. So now we're going to wait until the butter is melt, but meanwhile we're going to be putting the rest of the ingredients, which is the vanilla we're going to be using. My one is not strong, so I put 2 spoons, and I'm going to stir. Okay, the butter is finished. Yep. So I'm gonna leave this just aside so that I can go in preparing the next step. Okay guys, so now in 1 pot you're going to put some sugar, and this is just the melt butter. Just like that. And now we're going to be stirring. So basically here is the cake. We already have all the ingredients mixed. So right now what I'm trying to do is blend in the butter with the rest of the mix, and blend it very good so all the ingredients get together even, and yeah, so mix. And now as you can see, my sugar is getting brownish. Good. So yeah. so now it's time to put some water. Be careful with that though. About that, guys, I just all right, so we're gonna turn off the stove and we're gonna wait for this to sit a little bit, you know, and this is going to give our cake some pretty brown color. So yeah, all right guys, so now we're going to be pouring our cake. Oh my gosh. Like that. Alright guys, so I got 2 pans of mix. So now I'm going to be putting them in the oven. Alright guys, so now that I put the cake in the oven, I have it to 350 degrees or Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna have it there for 1 hour or until you see that you put a toothpick inside the cake, and then if it come out clean, the cake is finished. Alright guys, it's been 1 hour and 10 minutes and my cake is finished. And now I'm going to cut it, taste it, and tell you guys how it come out. By the way guys, I'm going to leave the ingredients of what I use in this cake so in the description down below, so that you guys can go check it out, just in case you guys want to try and you need some guidance. No, for real, it tastes good. De 1 a 10, ¿cuánto?
9.5.
9.5. What about the next 5?
The next 5? When I don't finish it, it's gonna get like 50.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.